Hello everybody. Guys, welcome to Rekindled Blessings. My name is Beth. This is my page, and today we are on the Mystery Box Challenge. So come on in, everybody, and hang out, and let's see what's in my package. Hello, Miss Annie. How are you? When you come in, please say hello and let me know you're here so that I can say hi back. Let me get this brought up here. Hello, Kimberly. How are you today? I hope everybody's doing good. Hello, Miss Catherine Kelly. How are you? Welcome in, sister. We are on the Mystery Box Challenge tonight, you guys. Let's get this brought up here. Well, we'll see if we get comments. There we go. My goodness, there's a bunch of you jumped in there really quickly. Hello, Sandy Stanley. Catherine, Dorothy, Elisa, Kim, Julie, Jill, Beth. My goodness, you guys, it goes on. Thank you guys for sprinkling and spreading the blessings. Do me a favor, keep these going up during the whole entire thing. I'd really appreciate it, you guys. That helps the page. Thank you all for being here tonight. I'm super excited. Hello, Sandy Hall. Hello, Michelle and Miss Terry. Hello, Wanda. Is everybody having a good day? Is everybody staying warm? That's my question. Is everybody staying warm? You guys, make sure you keep commenting throughout the video because we are going to be picking a name for some Happy Mail from Digital Deco Designs. Your name will go into a little pot and she will pick a name and that person will receive some Happy Mail. So keep on commenting, y'all. You guys, this is heavy. I don't know what it is, but it's heavy. Hello, Linda. Hello, Julie. Hello, Robin and Luella and Miss Cindy. Okay, guys, it's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. Yay, it's time. I'm excited. Randy is outside, you guys, working, so. Oh, no, Heather, I'm so sorry. Your daughter has COVID. Hello, Doniva. Hello, Jackie. All right, you guys, my package came from Secondhand Treasures. Miss Debbie from Secondhand Treasures sent this package. So well, first of all, let's see what design we have. Let's see what design we have first. From Digital Deco Designs, you guys. She sent us each a design. We each got to pick a design. Yeah, drum roll, Connie Hall says. Drum roll. Hello, Nicole. Oh, this isn't what I was expecting, you guys. I thought for sure I was going to get a cardinal. Something told me I was going to get a cardinal. But it's okay. It's okay. This is too funny because this is the same print. I think it is anyway. Let me see here. I think this is the same print that I sent Lindy. I think it's the same print that I sent Miss Lindy. Let me see, you guys. I don't get her papers very often sent to me. Hello, Lori Parks. Hi, Stacy. Hello, Diana. My father-in-law passed away. Oh, I'm so sorry, Eileen. We'll be praying for you, sister girl. Yes, it's the same print, you guys. Look at this beautiful print. I was not expecting this at all, but that's okay. This is not the one I was expecting to get. I was expecting to get, honestly, y'all, I was expecting to get a cardinal, and I was hoping I was going to get a cardinal because we was going to do this birdhouse. But it's okay because I have surfaces here also for this here. So we're going to work this in here, you guys. I'm super excited. Check out this design, you guys. Is she not amazing? I love this paper. It doesn't get any prettier than that there. I love those little deer eyes. Aren't they gorgeous? You can't wait to see what I come up with? Well, it's going to be fun because I don't know what I'm going to do yet. We'll see. Let's see what's in the package here. Isn't it amazing? I love it. It's gorgeous. You love the deer. Love the doe so much. I do love her. She's beautiful. Y'all. Oh my goodness. I don't know what's in here. This is scary, you guys. This is so scary. Hello, Arthurine. Hello, Anita and Lorraine. We have a lot of deer in India. We do have a lot of deer in India. Oh my goodness. She sent me a cigar box, you guys. I love these boxes. Love these boxes. Debbie, thank you. Oh my goodness, girl. You guys, oh my gosh. This is awesome. This is going to make a beautiful project. Holy cow. You guys, I'm super excited now. She's done all the hard work for me. Oh, this is too cool. Advice from a deer. It says, be a good listener, leap over obstacles, know when to lay low, Tread lightly on the earth. Take time to browse. Look both ways before crossing the road, and don't pass a buck. And you guys, look, it is on canvas. Is that not cool? Oh my gosh, girlfriend. Debbie, this is an awesome box. I love this. You've done all the hard work. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is going to be a beautiful craft. Hi, Justin. Isn't it gorgeous? She's done all the hard work, you guys. This is going to be so easy. Debbie, thank you. She must know I love cigar boxes. I use cigar boxes all the time. I do. Hello, Holly. It's been a while. Yes, it has been, girlfriend. I'm glad you're here. Hello, Miss Tiffany. Hi, Debbie Hauser. How are you? You have several of them. I've got a couple left over there. I had a ton of them at one time. Y'all, I'm trying to get the sticker off here. We may have to put some heat on it. Nope, I got it. Okay. Get that out of the way. I already know what I'm doing, y'all. It's easy. This is easy stuff right here. Miss Debbie made it easy on me today. Well, here's another sticker. We gotta get all these stickers off here. Okay. Hi, Julie. Hello, Sandy. Hello,
Good
Doris.
evening, everybody.
Look who's here. The troublemaker's here, y'all.
Oh, Doris and
You love the
Julie
dough?
and
I do too.
Janice.
You guys, I don't know if I'll sell this or I may give this one to my daddy. I don't know. We'll see. Because my dad is an avid deer hunter, you guys.
Hello, Sandy. How about them lions?
He is a deer hunter, and he gets one almost every single year. He's so good. He's always been such a good
Charlotte
hunter.
and Julie.
But he loves wildlife, too.
Oh, Jamie. Oh,
I can't
Roseanne.
get that off there. We may have to
And
leave.
Mindy McNally and Brenda Skipper.
Let me heat this, you guys, see if we can get this off here.
That way we watch you all day.
Oh,
the rest
thank
of the
you,
day.
Hope.
This is going to be beautiful. Yes, let's go Lions. Hello, Wanda.
Hi, Jacqueline.
Hello, Jacqueline and Justin. How you doing,
There we
Justin?
go. Justin, I did not
Terry.
get to see yours yet. I got to watch the replay on yours. I have caught everyone else's. Poor Justin, though. I missed his. But I will go back and watch the
Wendy had the
replay.
whole fawn standing in the middle of the clearing.
I know.
Yeah, lions.
Yeah, it is a little different than Wendy's, isn't it? But I was shocked that it was a deer.
Oh, Roy Parks. Oh,
That's
Gail.
awesome.